Hey guys, today we have the RTP Nation.
They talk shit about. We got a mukbang coming soon later today. You know, just tune in for the mukbang.
No, so this one. Okay guys, so we're here.
So we're here at Los Actatas Mexicanas.
Alright guys,
that's that PSP stuff.
you take over the vlog.
Alright guys, so we're back in Los Mexicanas to the average class. And yes, it looks so beautiful in here. Just look at it. Just look at it. Like. Mr. Sunkins, what's up, man? You good? Okay, I see my teacher.
I was gonna name Junior Brandon Sean. Yes, I was.
Let's go to Junior.
Six.
Alejandro. It's my boy Alejandro.
That was more.
Thought that was who? Margaritas. Mr. Sunkins, you want to be in a vlog? You want to be in a vlog? You want to be in a vlog?
Yeah, man.
Like,
Let's
say
do
something.
it. Hey, good to see y'all. Happy New Year to you. It's Mr. Sunkins coming at you. Love you guys. See you later.
See.
What more of mine is good?
Oh, King Crab. We have to get RJ.
Waters for everyone.
Okay, water for everyone. You guys are so easy.
That's that cheap stuff.
I might get killed for this, but
Double dip. Triple dip.
we'll be back to y'all when we get our food. What's up, you dig?
Guys, so they left me. They went to the bathroom. But I'm gonna get mozzarella sticks. And y'all haven't met the rest of the family yet, but y'all gonna meet them soon. Very soon. Oh, they're here. They're here. No recording in my
Hola.
Hey guys, so we ordered. Oh my gosh, she's such a hater. Order our food.
Hola.
Hurry up, please.
Hola. Why you make that face? You like.
Poodle, I think Poodle wants to be in our videos now. I think Poodle wants to be. Okay, guys, so we're going to introduce you to our little brother, Ramon.
Okay. And that's why he's not in our video.
That's why he's not in our video, guys, because he. Yeah.
Socially awkward.
Socially awkward. Alright, guys, so.
Stop looking off the vlog.
Rewind it, run it back, because I never even put my hand up.
All these beaners.
This is why y'all be looking in y'all boomerang.
No, they like.
Mom, I want. Alright guys, we'll be back with you when we get our food.
You don't want to be like you. Can we do this for them? Oh, watch your mouth, because I'll break your face.
You want to be featured? Hey, start our vlog. Loser.
Look at this loser.
Well, my dad is excluded. These two, they're the biggest haters ever.
Loser.
Ew, germs. Yeah. On the vlog. Maybe he should walk.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I can't stop smiling.
He trying to
Really?
He said, "Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog."
Okay, so today we will be at the place. Today we will be eating. And reminds me has an airplane.
We already explained this to them.
Don't throw the.
What we doing?
Michigan State is being Michigan in basketball, but they can't do that in football.
You like a snake.
Yeah, but they can't do that in football.
You like a snake.
Oh no, it's really fast. Stop. Oh no, it's really fast.
I knew the Titans was gonna beat them.
So,
So,
The Titans.
huh? But you
The
couldn't
Titans is good this year.
Yeah, they would.
They good this year. 2020.
Somebody already posted.
Stop.
Tom Brady on
guys, so we got our food. I got mozzarella sticks. He's got a mucho something.
Mucho grande. Mucho grande bonita.
Sauce.
He got sauce. It's good. You just stole my fries. Alright, I'm getting one of your chicken. No.
Chicken wings.
Oh, they chicken wings fried.
That's your hot sauce.
Ranch for your mozzarella stick.
That's not hot sauce. That's your hot sauce?
Yes, and it's good. It's really good too. Chicken wings.
I cannot eat till I get February, so.
A spoon. Spoon comes with sauces.
This is so flat. Y'all don't understand. The crispiness inside and then the cheesy stretch. Y'all see that?
Remind me, the crispiness in the inside.
No.
The
Crispiness
crispiness.
outside. And then the melted cheese inside.
Thank you.
So this is what we doing now.
Water for you? You're welcome. And just the lettuce and cheese for you? For you? Do you still want it? No? You don't want anything? No cheese? No? Okay.
Which one?
It looked kind of good, like something he would eat, like a mukbang.
Yes. What?
3:30 is my time.
Okay. The juiciness of the chicken.
This is so flat.
Why did they put the lettuce in the salad?
She has a cheese stretch. I have a chicken stretch.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Did it? And the sauce. The sauce is so good.
This cheese boy right here.
The wings is fire.
It's 3:30. It's my turn. You stupid. Alright, guys. Oh, get out. So, you want to watch my cheese stretch?
Maya, I want you to take this cheese.
Oh, I got some cheese in my own. Ready? No, it's not your turn. So good. So good. And then the crispiness of these fries. And oops. I have a plastic straw. Hashtag don't serve turtles. No.
You can't handle it?
This stuff.
Alright, it's your turn.
I didn't see you there.
Chicken not cold.
You're not. You're bad at eating. Your mom should not have to tell you how to eat.
She's not telling me how to eat. Alright guys, so I should have got chicken. I should have got chicken because my jaws are hurting.
No, it's not chicken.
It's really hot. Just a dab, Mike. Just a dab. Alright, you're gonna die.
Alright, guys, I have the hottest hot sauce in the world.
No, you don't.
Wait, I want some hot sauce.
I'm hot. Hold up.
She cannot hold the hot sauce.
Yes, I can.
Chicks
I'm not just playing with you guys.
their hot sauce.
You're so conceited, man. I'm scared now.
This is kind of hot. Hold up.
You saw how much hot sauce she put on her fry. Look at all of this.
It's not that hot.
Look at all
It's
of
hot.
that.
It's hot, but it's not that hot. I'm kind of hot.
Feel bad.
It's not even hot.
Yeah, you know how I get it.
It's not. Boy, if you don't. This chicken is like fire.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like the sauce?
Mhm.
Good. Is that spicy or
No, not really.
not really?
Alright, guys, we'll be back.
This is fire.
Let me taste your sauce.
That's why you get mucho grande. Feel me? We just did.
Oh, wait, our thumbnail.
Wait, thumbnail. Hold on.
We didn't do our mukbang. Oh no, I didn't.
Bon appetit. You thought this was scary.
Kind of, that's what she talked like, bro. She talked like me, so kind of.
Look at how he eat. Look, all the bones. There's no
Clean.
meat on the bones. What is wrong with you?
I accidentally bit this shit. It's so hard. One of the bones broke.
And he's over here going through it.
Let it poop, man.
It's-
That's just lettuce, bro. They put my lettuce on the side. Like, it's not even real salad. It just gave me lettuce. What am I supposed to do with that? Eat it?
Yes,
No ranch?
lettuce is so good.
They gave me no ranch.
It's a good thing.
No, I don't want the ranch.
It says there's a new law that could send
3, 2, 1.
Stay
frosty, you dig? I know I said the vlog was over, but today I'm gonna be trying a lemon. For like I don't eat lemons, bro. I don't like eating lemons because they too sour by themselves. Here we go.
It say married man threw a party for his side chick, and his side chick's boyfriend performed at the party.
Just use your finger.
Why you get not on the tube? Not on the tube, bro. Not on the tube, bro. Turn it off.
No, don't touch my phone with your nasty hands. Just dig the boogie off.
Turn it off, bro.
Not a boogie. Stop touching me.